Welcome back to the channel. I like aquariums, but I used to have an Oscar, but he ended up dying, and so I have all this fish food, and I don't know what to do with it because these things are freaking huge. Even my red tail probably won't be able to fit one of these in its mouth. On top of that, when you put these into the aquarium, all they do is sit there and float, and they don't sink at all. And they don't break apart. Now I got all this leftover food and I don't know what to do with it. But then I remembered that I design and I 3D print, so I want to find out how well these are able to be crushed. All I'm doing is going to use my hand here, and this really sucks. And again, I want to do something to where I can get these a little bit smaller, and I design and 3D print. But I feel like they will go for this food as long as it's smaller. So, yeah, my red tail's just hanging out, chilling there. Yeah, I would assume that they would want to go for it, but we'll find out. In the comments below, you should let me know what kind of plants you like and what kind of fish you have in your aquariums. My buddy has a pond, and I really enjoy hearing about it and seeing it. So it's always cool to see and hear what other people are doing. Who knows, I might just set up a tank inspired by you. This is the design I chose, and it already got done off the printer. I'm using a hex key for the insert, and now let's see what the prototype number 1 will do for us crushing in the tank. It crushed the first time, but I just really wanted to see what it would do if I kept crushing it, and nothing really much happened else. It did get some actually small little bits though, so let's see what happens after a little while, and we'll switch down to the tank. Now that we're down here at the tank, you can see that one of the bottom feeders is there. We're gonna give this a nice crush, and we're gonna make sure that these get into the water. And then we're gonna see what happens. And like right away, you can see that our bottom feeder's kind of hungry. And it looks like these smaller pieces might be able to be eaten by it, but it looks like I might need to try something smaller. So back to the drawing board, like, share, subscribe, so you don't miss out on another video from us. And I'll probably have a version 2 in the future. So thank you for watching, and peace out. See you next time.